Hi, we're back. Yeah, it was a long commercial break.
I am Veng. This is
Jang.
I'm Being. Yeah, I'm Being.
I'm Jean. Yeah,
No,
that's-
Jang.
No way.
It's Jang.
Jang.
Being.
It's like Bing.com. Alright.
It's like Jang.gmail. Epic fail.
That was funny. Okay, do you know how to sing Baby, it's not just you? 30 Cent?
You know it hurts.
Yeah, that one.
me
Alright, let's
too.
start. Yes, we're gonna sing you a song entitled Not Just You.
Look at my face.
Look at my eyes. Big eye bags.
See my nose?
Darling, I know your heart seen that times. I know my songs have better rhymes before today. No, darling, yeah. Oh, I guess I made a mistake. I understand if you needed space. Please take your time.
Please take your time.
Before you go away, you need to realize, baby, it's not just you. You know it hurts me too. Watching you leave with tears on your sleeve, don't you notice that my heart is exactly dry? Baby, it's not just you that's hurting. It's me too. Sorry. Oh, we're late. Okay. Yeah. I hope that entertained you.
Yeah!
Sound good, right? This is definitely going to YouTube. This heart and this heart we see. Turn out the light, yeah. Before you go away,
Nothing.
so far away.
You need to
Yes, my eyes got big. Not just you. You know it hurts me too. Watching you leave, the tears on your sleeve. Don't you notice that my heart exactly dry? Baby, it's not just you. You know it hurts. It's hurting. It's me too.
Me three.
Today.
Me three.
I'm feeling so low that you're back. Believe in love, don't give up on me. Girl, I know that you're hurting.
Forgive me.
Forgive me, baby. It's not
just me. You know it hurts you too. Watching me leave with tears on my sleeve. I noticed that yours is already dry. I have my feet.
It's a foot. Alright, it's just one.
No, there's still one.
Feet. Feet.
I don't know the lyrics.
Why not foots?
Yeah, I have my foot.
Why not like house, right? And the mouse and the mice. Why not heist?
Hi.
Yeah.
How about SpongeBob on Ice? Spice.
Hello. The song's almost
It's a
ending.
heart. It's a heart. Didn't you know this? It's a heart.
This one's circle.
It's a triangle.
This one's circle.
Put this in.
Okay. Yay! Bye.
Remember me?
Me too.
Follow me on Instagram.
Twitter.
It's your chocolate. No,
Facebook.
No. It's your ice cream